Guys, thank you so much for joining. This is an important video. We're going to understand credit repair scams. These things have been very common and a lot of people have fallen for them, and it's usually because they're unaware of how these scams happen. So let's just jump right in. Alright, first things first. There's nothing that a credit repair company can legally do for you, even whether it is removing any kind of information. Now let's talk about this act. This act, Credit Repair Organizations Act, is a federal law that became effective on the 1st of April in 1997. It happened because a number of consumers had suffered from credit repair scams when they got random calls promising that their credit can be fixed just by paying a company a couple of $100 to even $1,000. What does the act do for you? First things first, the act prohibits any company from taking your money until they fully complete the services they promise. So, assuming the company has promised to help you understand your current credit situation, help you pay off your highest debt first, then create a snowball effect that pays off all the other debt until they can help you pay off your credit or whatever is in that contract if it's related to credit repair. So please check with the organization or your legal team or your accountant before you go ahead and get into something like this, if they can help you repair it in the first place. Yes, very important to be educated. So let's get into the second point. The act is also required to provide you with a written contract stating all the services to be provided as well as the terms and conditions of payment. So basically, under the law, you have about 3 days to withdraw from the contract. If you don't, then that contract is sealed, and then that terms and conditions in that contract will be fulfilled. And until it's fulfilled, they don't take money from you.